And hello! Have you ever got a wig from Shein? I know that I have never got one, and so I thought I would get some wigs from Shein so you don't have to. We're gonna test them out today. So let's get started. Let's check out this one. So here we have the envelope, and take it out like that. And then my favorite part of the whole thing, taking this lovely mesh off. I got it off, don't worry. Get it out. Here it is. First impressions, I don't know if you can tell, but this wig is like super static. So I'm definitely going to be putting in some serum into this, in some silicone type serum. Let me show you actually what I use on my wigs. This is top secret, don't tell anybody, because I'm going to make a video all about taking care of your wigs. It's this right here. I put this in my wigs and it makes the static go away and it keeps them detangled. Good stuff. Not sponsored, by the way. In fact, this video is sponsored by me, and only me. So I would love it if you would subscribe, which might help me get an actual sponsorship. Thank you very much. Back to the wig. It has bangs, and the hair right now feels very detangled. Let's see how much it sheds. Really not too much, like a couple hairs coming out. So I'm thinking that we should try this baby on. So I will be right back. Hold up a second. Before we try on the wig, let's check out the inside. This is what the inside looks like. It does just have, it's not a lace front. It has adjuster straps right here, so you can adjust them. You can either put these together or you can stick them in the little adjuster hole dealy bobs. It doesn't have any clips on it. So pretty much these adjusters are going to keep it on for you. Or you're going to hope that these adjusters keep it on for you. Let's see if it keeps it on for me. I'll be back. So, I like this wig. The bangs are a little long, so I just had to press them to the side, but no big deal there. I think the color is really nice. I like the length. Let me show you the back. Yeah, this is a really nice wig. For the price, it's great. I like it. I mean, it could be a costume wig, or it could be just a wig that you wear out and about. It's not tangling too much. It does need some of that hair stuff that I mentioned earlier in the video. And the bangs, if you want them to be the right length, I mean, it depends on you and your forehead size, I guess, but you might have to cut them. They're getting in my way there. But in the video, I want you to vote for your favorite. So this is wig number 1. Let's move on to wig number 2. Hello, and now we have wig number 2. So let's open this up and check it out. Like that. Like that. Okay, now for the staticky thing. Okay, so here is the wig. It is a nice shade of green. Definitely not a natural color, but I think it's really pretty, and I thought maybe it would go with my eyes. So let's look at the inside. Like I said, these are cheap wigs, or maybe I didn't say it yet, but these are cheap wigs. But you get what you pay for, but sometimes you get something decent. So once again, inside this wig, there are no clips. But we do have adjuster straps, so that's really good that we have these straps. And the other wig stayed on pretty well, so maybe I'll like headbang in this wig and show you how well it stays on. Give me a moment and I will put this wig on for you. And here we have this one. It has longer bangs, but I just kind of spread them out a little bit because I thought that looked cute. This is what it looks like from the front. Yeah, I think it's really cute. For some reason I think this is a good color on me too. Not natural at all, but just a cute color. So the hair, I mean, it feels pretty cheap. Just like the other one, it feels pretty cheap, like cheap wig hair. But I mean, there's things you can do to wig hair to make it look and feel less cheap. Like I said, using my product here, not my product, but I'll link it in the description below if you want to try it. That helps out a lot. If it gets too shiny, then putting in dry shampoo or some baby powder will help. So there's a lot of different things you can do to kind of make the wig look a little bit more expensive than what it is. But let me show you up close here. And this is wig number 2. Alright, and this is wig number 3. Let's open it up. 4. Oops. There we go. And we'll take the annoying thingy off. It keeps it all nice. There we go. And here we go. I got a rainbow wig. I don't care if I'm 43 or I'm 23. Like, who doesn't need a rainbow wig? I mean, we all need a rainbow wig in our lives, right? So I got one, and we're gonna try it out. Let's look at the inside of it. Same exact thing. These cheap Shein wigs do not have any kind of clips in them. They only have the adjuster little bra strap looking things. So let's give this one a try, and I will be right back. And here we go, the last one, the rainbow wig. What do you think? Do you need a rainbow wig in your life? Because I sincerely think you do. Let me show you all around the wig. Yes, it's nice. And the hair, it doesn't tangle easily because it's, you know, so short. Let me feel if it comes out. I don't know if you can see that, but there's a little bit of hair in there. But it's not like super bad. What is super bad is these bangs. They're like way too long, so I'm just pushing them to the side here. And it's like, I need some hairspray or something. Ah, now I got hair on myself, on my lip too. Okay, maybe it sheds a little bit. But it's cute. So even though it sheds, it's cute. Take another look around. And tell me what you think in the comments below. This is the last wig. Oh no, this isn't the last wig. I actually have one more wig to show you. Alright, I'm going to be right back with the last wig. The very next wig that I have to show you is going to be in my upcoming video. So if you want to see the last wig that I got, be sure to watch my next video. And it will be called Frontal Lace Wig from Shein. So I hope that you will look forward to that video. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe. You got it this far, so you might as well hit the button. It would really make my day. And I hope you have a beautiful, wonderful, fantastic day. And I will see you in the next video. Peace out.